Alright, good morning YouTube. Let's get our channel set up and away we go. Trading. Let's see. All right. Just getting the channel set up this morning. Need to make it so I can see comments. There we go. Alright, so BlackBerry this morning is up quite decently for pre-trading. Closed in at 1386. We are up at 1450 with 6 million volume already. Our average volume is 31 million, so this stock is about to pop this morning. See what we got for news. Not really much of a catalyst for it to go up, other than lots of people wanting to get it to go up and make some money off of it. Just still kind of getting set up a little bit. I haven't streamed in a while because I've been pretty busy with work. Now I got a little bit of time, so let's have some fun. Get our SNDL up. What's another one that's popping today? Take a quick look here at our main trading / meme stocks. So we got AMC closing at 47.91, pre-trading around pre-market around 51.81. GME up a little bit, closed at 248.36, pre-market 255.50. SNDL we're up a little bit, closed at $1.09. Up to about 113, 114 pre-market. BlackBerry is the one that is popping. We're at 6.4 million volume already. 1386 we closed. 1458 we're up over 10% this morning on that, around 10%. And then Zom was a company that was getting a little bit of attention last week. We are up 4 cents from the previous day of 90 cents. So we're a little bit going here. So we got about 8 minutes till the market opens. And we are gonna have some fun. Let's get our main view going up. We're gonna be looking for patterns. We're gonna be looking for entry points, setting exit points. We're gonna plan a trade and trade a plan. Let's get some up here. And make sure these all match. Let's get, I've been trading SNDL the last little bit. So let's get that up. One of my favorite long-term holds, Virgin Galactic. I bought in at 1651. And I've been holding on strong with a couple of my accounts. So let's make sure everything is how it should be. Give me one sec here. Alright. We are green keyed, which means we can trade. So let's keep an eye on BlackBerry. It's really popping this morning. Let's see how that takes off. I always like to watch AMC. I'm not a fan of trading it, because if you got stuck with that position, it would just be horrible. It's trading about 12 times its value. Still, it can make a lot of money with it trading up and down, but it's a little harder. A little harder to trade. So yeah, if there's any stocks anybody else wants to watch or keep an eye on, let me know. I will pull it up. We're going to be running our RSI for tools, and then I'm going to get my MACD up. Here's our MACD. MACD works on exponential moving averages. So it's quite quick to respond to changes in price. We're going to keep our volume. We're going to look for patterns today. We're going to look for our shooting star dojis, our hammer dojis. We're going to look for our relative strength, our MACD. We're going to try and see which stocks are moving, which direction they're moving, and we're going to try and catch those moves up and down. That is kind of our plan for the day. So you can see SNDL still moving up pretty decently in pre-market. At $1.14 now. Got a lot more sell orders and buy orders, so we're starting to hit our resistance. Pre-market around $1.15, which is normal for a penny stock. Every 5 cents, every 10 cents, every 25 cents, we get these resistance levels. We're looking around $1.30 has been the wall for that stock lately. We're looking to see if we can break that. We can break out a little bit, do some little trades in and out as it's going up, as it's going down. AMC still up about $4. GME up $6. We got our ZOM up 4 cents. SNDL, yeah, about 5. And BlackBerry not popping quite so much pre-market now. Now we're only up about 60 cents on that. So let's try and check out our blown up chart here as well. Give us kind of a better view. Get our sundial up. Let's get our MACD up on here. Volume, there we go. RSI. Kind of want my RSI to merge with some of these other ones. Let's move all of this down. I want volume up top. Alright, got 2 minutes to open. Let's see how we're gonna look this morning. SNDL, we're at 10 million. Pre-market, our average volume around 249 million. How's our Blackbird doing? Still up decently. Pre-market, we got 1 minute. The opening bell. All the stocks are up. Let's get our MACD up here as well. Alright, markets are almost open. Here we go. Opening bell. Oh, SNDL pretty good. Buying pressure at $1.14. Our 4,800 orders. Let's take a look at BlackBerry. BlackBerry, we're up 3.7, 3.9%, climbing. GME, we got real high RSI, lots of buying pressure, up 4%. Take a quick look at AMC. AMC up 8%. Kind of struggling around that $52 mark. ZOM up 4%. Come on, SNDL. SNDL broke through $1.15. Pretty good RSI, over 80. Our MACD is showing we are going up, at least for this morning. Ooh, $1.16. Huge buying pressure. $1.17. Bit of resistance at $1.18, but it's getting crushed. Oh, a little more. You're still overbought. BlackBerry almost up 6% now. Let's check our multi-view here. See how everything's looking. Alright. AMC up 8.4, GME up 4.4, SNDL up 8%. BlackBerry up 6%. Our RSIs are looking good. RSI is starting to go down a bit. AMC 11%. Great big buying spike there. Go baby go. Definitely some nice momentum this morning. RSIs are dropping on ZOM. Sundial starting to lose a little bit of momentum. You can see our little fight here between buyers and sellers. Who's gonna win? AMC up 14%, almost 15%. Huge push there. %17 on AMC. AMC never ceases to amaze me. Like the value just isn't there, but the price is. You just keep that money going. There's GME 4.4%. SNDL still holding about 6%. Starting to support, form a little bit of support at $1.15 it seems. That's usually a good key area for the buyers and sellers to fight. We got a lot more sell orders and buy orders at $1.16. Those are starting to get filled a bit. ZOM 3.3%. RSI is starting to drop. AMC coming down a bit, 13%. Let's look at our markets this morning. AMC just bouncing everywhere. Alright, AMC at 14, GME 4%, SNDL 6%. Nice fight between buyers and sellers. We're going to push to $1.16 as our buy orders hopefully fill here. BlackBerry 2.7%. Lost a lot of momentum there. So to get lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, lower highs. Trading that, a good time to sell that after a couple minutes of lower lows, lower highs. ZOM starting to barcode a bit, just kind of going sideways. RSI is still decent, but a little low. A little bit of excitement this morning. No real huge opportunities. And BlackBerry's starting to look like it might come up again a bit. Came down with our lower lows, lower highs. Formed a hammer doji, and now we are
You close your door, good job.
coming up.
Carter?
So yeah, now we are. SNDL's coming up. I'm streaming. AMC down to 12%. Oh, excuse me. SNDL's starting to come down. But again, that $1.15, just a battle there all the time. Oh, excuse me. Yeah, SNDL getting a pretty big push down. $1.15. You see that buy orders are starting to break. It's gonna go down to $1.13. There it is. Getting pushed down. A little bit of support. $1.13. GME still at 3%. AMC 13.5. Blackberry has definitely come down from the high of the morning, down up 2.8%. Arizona is up 3.4. RSIs are starting to die down. Most of the stocks. AMC still looking pretty good though. Up 12.5. GME trying to make a little comeback. SNDL is fighting at $1.15 again. She's back and forth. So I'm still trading mostly sideways. Blackberry 3.5% up. We're having some fun this morning. Let's do a little side research here.
But I'm also trying to stick to my own rules.
just fighting it out. Up 14.5%.
Where one share hold.
Just awesome. GME 4% coming up a little bit. SNDL $1.15. Just battling in that area. A little bit of hammer doji here. Orders are supporting sales more. So looking, we got higher lows and higher highs starting to form. Another battle here. Come on, baby. Yeah, BlackBerry really calmed down a lot. 20 million volume. Save, there we go. Get that volume on there for SNDL. 47 million. Average about 250 million shares a day. No, not super high volume this morning. Got our ZOM. Yeah, nice cup and handle pattern on sundial over the last bit. So that's why we're kind of hoping to push that up. Well, we're starting to get a little more buying pressure here. So we got our lows, getting higher lows, slightly higher highs, and trend is kind of continuing a little bit higher lows, higher highs. Still got, we're gonna hit to a $1.17 bids. Here it is. Bid resistance at $1.18. See if we can break through that. Nice little volume spike there. Oh yeah, pushing up good. Up 7%. AMC still battling. Just battling. 14%. GME's come back a bit. Up 5, and ZOM is starting to fade away. Let's take a look at one of my favorites, Virgin Galactic. Up 1.7 today. Looking decent. And SNDL, oh, there goes that $1.18. Fight at $1.19. SNDL is just popping. It's going up. Huge gains. Definitely going for a run. BlackBerry's come down quite a bit, only up 2%. GME's going for a little bit of up spike, 4.6. AMC, they're just battling. So much support for AMC right now. It's crazy. Just awesome. I hope people that trade, you know, like the AMC stocks and the GME stocks, they realize that it's good money, it's fun, everybody comes in together, but man, if you get stuck holding those shares when it crashes, you're gonna be in a little bit of trouble. And it's not exactly a value investment. I had a bit of AMC around 550 and then picked it up at or sold at $9. But I did it because there was a catalyst, right? The theaters had opened back up, price shot out, took my profits. I never thought that it would just be completely driven by like a group of people that keep pushing it up and up and up. That was the only reason for it to go up. It was just a group of people that banded together and pushed it up. It's a cool story. I love it. Nice community together with everything. But I'm so scared of just getting stuck holding that stock. Oh, SNDL. Look at those buy orders. Just pushing that $1.20. Go, baby, go. Yeah, what a fight for AMC. I love it. I think it'd be fun to get it on with just a little bit of play money, just to have a little bit of fun. But man, SNDL. Is going. We are fighting a $1.20 resistance now. This is my main stock that I've been day trading. I got a nice chunk of shares in it right now. I'm looking to start to trade that one up and down a bit. We'll see how the day goes. So far we are popping up 10%. Yeah, SNDL definitely getting some attention. And if we look here, we can kind of see our top traded stocks at the moment. SNDL, 8th on the list. Got our GME. Of course, our AMC at the top, and BlackBerry just below. Oh, SNDL broke through a $1.20 resistance. And it is pushing. Gotta adjust my chart here. AMC, nice bump up 16%. GME coming back a little bit. You can see here SNDL is just way overbought. We are pushing. Still getting higher lows, higher highs. It's trending pretty good. SPCE up 2.2%, looking good. BlackBerry 5% starting to come back a bit. All our RSIs are about 50%. I am just loving SNDL this morning. Look at that buy pressure still. Bit of a fight at $1.20, which there should be. It's a penny stock. Every 5 cents you get a pretty good fight to push through. We're definitely seeing more buying pressure than selling pressure. AMC just giving her up 17.3. SNDL still battling at $1.20. GME coming up a bit, 6%. BlackBerry, we are at 5%. SPCE 2.3. This AMC battle 18%. These guys are trending for $60. 19%. It's just player driven. Just retail investors pumping money in, pushing it up, holding that price up, holding strong together. I just worry that everybody pushes together, holds strong together. But then when the moment arises, you're not gonna sell together. You're gonna have a lot of people left up at the top. So it makes me kind of worry. But, AMC 19.2%, still going up. Pretty sure these guys are gonna crest $60 again. GME 6.4, SNDL still got an epic fight at $1.20. Getting a little more sell pressure than buy pressure. So it's probably gonna start to come down a little bit. You can see pattern wise. You can kind of see right there of what's called a shooting star doji. So there's a fight between buyers and sellers, and the sellers ended up winning. So it's a little indication that our uptrend might reverse. We'll see how the next few ticks here go. You kind of see there's a fight between buyers and sellers still. So we went up, got our higher highs, higher lows, trending up, trending up, trending up. Lots of buy pressure. And now we're kind of going sideways a bit. So we're consolidating. We're fighting between the buyers and the sellers. We're seeing a little bit of doji's kind of coming down a little bit. That might indicate going down, but it's still sideways, so it's still a little too early to tell. Now we're popping a little bit. We got a big spike to push it over $1.21. We still have huge 8,000 sell orders at $1.22, trying to push it down. 700 orders at $1.21, trying to bring it up. So we got a lot more sell pressure than buy pressure. Volume's up to 80 million. SPC 2% came up a bit. Not moving as much as normal. Pretty low volume for SPCE in the morning. See, this stock I have most of my long-term holds in SPCE, and I do that because I really believe in the company, but without catalysts, without reasons for that stock to shoot up, it's not really going to shoot up. Like it's story driven. It's a story driven stock. If you load it up on Yahoo Finance, it's just lawsuits. Like it is just riddled with lawsuits. None of them horrible. Like they had to deter their SEC reporting a week, and there was a huge dump that day. I think it lost 9%. So people that did lose that money were obviously upset, and a few lawsuits were filed, but nothing overly damaging, I would say, with the company. But as soon as like a test flight's announced or something, right, the stock just jumps again. I bought it at 1651 just before the test flight announcements, and they announced them. They went to 21 successful test flights, jumped to 27, and then had a bit of momentum kind of carrying from there. It's usually fighting in around $32. That's kind of the big fight for SBCE lately is $32. That being said, it just needs a catalyst. It needs a reason to go up. Anything. And that stock pops. Alright, we're still fighting at $1.21. building a little bit of buy pressure. You can see here RSI is still decently high. Won't crack down. There we go. Get a big little blow off here. $1.20 is just a technical fight for SNDL. AMC is going to that $60. People are just going to keep pushing it and pushing it and pushing it. Probably going to see a nice big spike over that 60, and when it does that, you're getting these people stuck at $60. So everybody goes up together, great big team effort, and then you start to get the traders selling for profit, and then you got these guys at $60 going, oh, it's going to be $1,000 one day. So then they can get stuck there, and then they'll hold, which is what the group's doing, right? Everybody holds, and you can only realistically bring the price up if you got enough people holding and buying. So they can kind of sit at that high rate and then have people, maybe the next few days or the next day it shoots up again and they're back in the green. But eventually it's not going to come back to that green. You're going to get people stuck, holding the bag, a pile of money in the red. So yeah, see how it goes. SNDL still fighting the good fight, around $1.20, volume 91 million. BlackBerry came back up pretty good, 10.7. See, and if you're looking for patterns while you're trading, this is kind of a good one here. So you can kind of see we're coming down a bit. We got our lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, lower highs. And then you see this green doji here, right? So we kind of form like a shooting star, but not quite. It's kind of in the middle. It's like a hammer cross. And then we see a nice doji here. We got our hammer doji. It's a small indicator that price is going to change. It's going to go up. And we get our lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high. And it just keeps going. So you get good indicators like this for day trading that kind of tell you, the price is reversing. It's going to be coming up. And then, just up and up and up. And we get a little bit of a battle here. Kind of going sideways, consolidating. When it's consolidating, it's, just a fight between buyers and sellers. Kind of see who's going to win. Which direction is that going to go? SNDL just kind of consolidating sideways at $1.20. Still up 11%, which is awesome. AMC up 20%. GME up 6%. Not a lot of volume for GME, but you got to remember this is $262 a share. Whereas you get a cheap stock like SNDL at $1.20, well, we have 95 million worth of volume. So it's just huge. Alright, we're gonna drop the stream here. We got 1 hour into market trading. We're gonna start a new stream, and we're just gonna kind of see how things go throughout the day. So we're gonna be right back.